This is Michelle from the Interactive Systems Group. This is the first video in a series of videos meant as a quick help to using the Virtual Agent Interaction Framework, or VAIF. Now, in order to use VAIF, you'll have to download and install Unity first. VAIF will work on any version of Unity 2017.1 and up. Now, to download Unity, you can just Google download Unity. And it'll basically be the first result that shows up. Now this page will show you the current version as the quickest download. However, if you want to use a later version, you can go here to older versions of Unity. Once you're able to download Unity and install it, you'll want to download VAIF. So go ahead to github.com. VAIF is available on github.com, and you don't even have to have an account. All you have to do is search for VAIF, and it's the first result. In this page, you have access to all of our project files. Now, you don't have to do anything else besides download it. So all you do is click on Clone or Download and go to Download Zip. If you prefer to modify the code or upload it to GitHub to share with us and everyone else, you can clone it yourself. If not, you simply want to download it, you just download the zip files. And that's it. That's a quick summary of how to download VAIF.